Printify is a print-on-demand service that integrates with Shopify, allowing businesses to create and sell custom-designed products online. Here's how Printify works with Shopify. Product selection. Merchants choose from a wide range of products offered by Printify, including apparel, accessories, home decor, and more. These products serve as a canvas for the merchants' designs. Design and personalization. Merchants create their own designs or use existing templates provided by Printify. They can customize various aspects of the product, such as colors, graphics, and text, to align with their brand. Product mockup. Printify generates product mockups showcasing the design on the selected merchandise. Merchants can use these mockups to preview how their products will look before listing them in their Shopify store. Integration with Shopify. Using the Printify app, merchants connect their Shopify store with their Printify account. This integration allows them to seamlessly sync products, pricing, and inventory between the two platforms. Listing and selling. Once the products are set up and synced, merchants can list them in their Shopify store. Customers can then browse and purchase these customized products directly from the merchant's online store. Production and fulfillment. When a customer places an order, Printify takes care of the production and fulfillment process. Printify partners with a network of printing facilities located worldwide, selecting the one closest to the customer for efficient shipping. Shipping and delivery. Printify handles shipping and delivery of the products to the customer's specified address. The merchant and customer receive shopping notifications and tracking information to track the progress of the order. Profit and payment. Printify deducts the production and fulfillment costs from the product price, and the remaining amount is the merchant's profit. Printify typically bills the merchant on a monthly basis for the fulfilled orders. By integrating Printify with Shopify, businesses can offer a wide variety of customizable products without the need for inventory management or upfront production costs, making it a convenient and cost-effective solution for entrepreneurs and online retailers.